Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem you face when trying to upload a file inside Google Docs. Let me show you the error first. If I try to upload a PDF in Google Docs, it shows this message: selected file is not supported for upload. But don't worry, I found a simple solution to this. So let's fix it. Open Google Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, click on the New button and choose File Upload. Select your PDF file and click Open. Right now, we're simply uploading the PDF file into Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, find the PDF and right-click on the file. Choose Open With and then select Google Docs. It may take a few seconds, but once it opens, you'll see the entire PDF file inside Google Docs. This is the exact same PDF file that gave us the error earlier, but using Google Drive, we were able to open it inside Google Docs without any issues. And that's it. Problem solved.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.